all hands, arms, and legs inside the ride at all times. We are all clear. And now clear means you're out of here. Set up right. Hold on tight. Enjoy your ride.
Ooh, tire drive lift hill. Woo!
Another faultless mark.
Welcome back, Vikings. How was that flight? Sounds pretty good. Once the train comes to a full complete stop, we will unlock those restraints. Just push down and pull up. It does not pop up by itself. Exit to your right, go up and over the stairs, and your loose items will be on the other side.